Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take that logo that we just got and put it into our online store. So the first thing we want to do from our dashboard is go to online store. And once this loads up, we are going to click on customize. So we'll just go here to customize. We'll wait for this to load up. We're going to click on our header, and here it says logo image. So click on that, go to upload, and we're going to go to our download section here and grab the design we just got. Like that. Hit select. And then here we want to go to maybe like 300. Like that. What we actually probably want to do, just because this is such a square image, we're actually going to go to here, and we're actually going to make this quite a bit smaller. Like that. And we're going to go to image, and we're going to go to crop, like that. So all I did was use the rectangular tool up here. Made a little rectangle around this, and now we're going to save this. So go to save as, and we'll go to our desktop and we'll just save it as that. Hit OK. And now let's go back and let's change our logo, and this should make it a little bit easier. So we'll go to desktop and find this image we just made right here, hit open. And now instead of it pushing all these borders down because it was so big, it'll actually fit up there really nicely. So we will save it at that. Hit save. And now we can actually go back right here and we'll view our web page and just see how that looks. Click on the eyeball button, and there it is there. I don't know if I'm loving the black up here. It looks a little dark, so let's go back into customize here, and let's fix this header color really quick, just because the black's a little dark. So let's go here and see if we can't change the color here. Colors. So right here is our header. So all I did to get there was I went to, you're going to be in sections here. Just go to theme settings, go to colors, and you're going to see this here. So change this. Let's check. White looks actually really good. Make sure your links are black at that point, or else they won't show up. So hit save, and let's see what this looks like. Just like that. That looks really, really nice actually. So that's that. We got our design from Fiverr. We approved it. You can make as many changes as you possibly want to that design, but it only costs us $7, and we've got a really nice looking web page now. So that looks really good, and that is it for now, and I will see you in the next video.